Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to recover a TikTok account. Open TikTok on your device, and here you can log into your existing account. You can add another account, or you can sign up. That means create a new account, but we need to log into existing TikTok account. So I will use this one, and TikTok wants to use google.com to sign in. Press continue button. Here I need to select the account that you want to use. For example, this one, I have several, and you are signing back into TikTok. Okay, press continue button. And now you see that that I have logged in, so I have recovered my TikTok account. But if you cannot do it, so if you don't have a Google account linked to your account, so you can try recovering your account by using your phone number, your username, or another social media. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.